Introducing the world's first smart microwave drawer by Sharp. Pair the SMD2489ES with the Sharp Kitchen mobile app to enable the smart features and remote control. Tasks that may seem challenging from the control panel are now simple and easy with the Sharp Kitchen app. Simply select Manual or Smart Cook and follow along. Choose to defrost ground beef, simply enter the weight with clear and convenient controls and press Start. The Smart Microwave Drawer from Sharp is roomy enough for a 4-quart casserole dish, and the Manual Cook feature of the Sharp Kitchen app makes even your most elaborate entertaining a breeze. Quickly set cooking time and power levels to keep your event on track. The Sharp Microwave Drawer oven features a concealed touch glass control panel that smoothly opens to a convenient 45-degree angle. Easily add finishing touches to your dishes without removing them from the oven. Sharp's patented Easy Touch automatic drawer system smoothly closes the drawer, making it simple to avoid messy spills. When done, simply reach in with both hands to safely remove your dish from the oven. Everything seems to come together at the last minute, and shortcuts can really help. Save up to 18 of your go-to Smart Cook items in the Favorites section. Syrup cold? The Smart Microwave Drawer from Sharp works with you, keeping control in the palm of your hands, even if you're running out of hands. Hands dirty? Wearing an oven mitt? Sharp's Easy Wave technology opens the drawer with a simple wave. And a gentle nudge of encouragement is all you need for the drawer to smoothly glide closed.